Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to cascade windows in Windows 11 using snap layouts, so you can quickly organize multiple open windows neatly on your desktop. Step 1. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button of any open window. You'll see a small pop-up showing different layout options, which are part of Windows 11's Snap Layouts feature. Step 2. Choose the layout you want by clicking on one of the sections in the Snap Layout pop-up. This will snap your current window into that position on the screen. Step 3. Repeat the process with your other open windows. Each window will automatically snap into the remaining sections of the layout, giving you a clean, organized arrangement. Step 4. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Win+Z to bring up the Snap Layout menu. This allows you to select a layout quickly without using your mouse. Step 5. Once your windows are arranged, you can resize each snapped section by dragging the divider lines. This gives you full control over how much screen space each window occupies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.